Good afternoon, dear friends. Good afternoon. In the last video, we had seen. In the last video, we had seen the tenses. There are three tenses. First one is present tense. Second one is past tense, and third one is future tense. So, with the help of flowchart, we had seen the tenses. So, let us see the first tense, present tense. Present tense. Now, present tense. Present tense has its own four type of tenses. First one is simple present tense. Second one is present continuous. And third one is present perfect. Present perfect tense. And last one is present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense. These are four type of tenses in present tense. Present tense, simple present, present continuous tense, and present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Now, present continuous tense is also known as present progressive tense. So, each tense has four type of sentences which we are going to see with the help of following flowchart. So, first type of sentence is sentence. Sentence means the structure of the sentence will be subject plus MV1 plus object plus complement. This will be the formula of sentence. Now, next type of sentence is negative sentence. Negative sentence. And third one is question statement. Question statement. Second one is question statement. In question statement, there are two types of questions. There are two types of questions. First one is WH question. First, WH question. And second one is inversion question. Inversion question. Inversion question. Now, fourth one is negative question statement. Negative question statement. Now, let us see sentence, then negative sentence, then question statement. In question statement, there are two types of question statements. First one is WH question. The question which starts with WH word, what, where, when, whom, whose, which. All these questions are known as WH question, and questions which starts with helping word is known as inversion questions. And last one is negative question statement. This is most important question. This is most important type of sentence. It is used to show, or it is used to confirm whether the incident is correct or wrong. To confirm the incident or to clear the doubt. For this purpose, this type of question is used. Negative question statement. Now same in simple present tense, sentence, negative sentence, question statement and negative question statement. Same like present continuous tense also. We have same type of sentences, sentence, negative sentence, question statement. There are two type of question, WH question and inversion question, and last one is negative question statement. Here also same, and present perfect continuous also has same type of sentences in it. So let us go to the first tense, simple present tense. Let us go to the simple present tense. What purpose simple present tense is used? Now simple present tense. Simple present tense. Use of this tense. What purpose this tense is used? What is use of this tense? First one, this tense is used to show the habitual actions of living beings. To show habitual actions. To show the habitual actions of human beings or living beings. मानवांच्या सवय दर्शवण्यासाठी या काळाचा उपयोग केला जातो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, वॉट एव्हर वी डू इट इन सिंपल प्रेझेंट टेन्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आय विल गिव्ह माय ओन एक्झाम्पल. आय वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एव्हरी डे. आय वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एव्हरी डे. मी दररोज सकाळी लवकर उठतो. दिस इज माय हॅबिच्युअल ॲक्शन. आय वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एव्हरी डे. This is my habitual action. So if someone asks me, tell me about your daily routine. So I will say, I wake up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. Then I brush my teeth. Then I have bath. After bath, I pray to God. Then I have breakfast. Then I prepare to go to school. At 9 o'clock, I go to school. Then at 3 o'clock, I come back at home. Then I have lunch. After that, I have some rest. Then at 6 o'clock, I go for walk. I come back at 7 o'clock and then I have tea. After that, I have dinner at 8 o'clock with my family. Then at 9 o'clock, I go to sleep. This is my daily habitual action which I do it in simple present tense. Now second use of simple present tense is to show the universal truth. To show the universal truth. त्रिकालवादी सत्य दर्शवण्यासाठी या काळाचा उपयोग केला जातो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, द सन रायजेस इन द ईस्ट. सन रायजेस इन द ईस्ट. दिस इज द बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल ऑफ युनिव्हर्सल ट्रूथ. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. सूर्य पूर्वेला उगवतो आणि पश्चिमेला मावळतो. No changes occurred in this daily routine. The sun was rising in the past in same direction. The sun used to rise in east in the past also, in present also, and it will rise in east in the future also. Means no changes occurred. Wherever you go, whenever you go in the world, no changes are occurred. Such a truth are known as universal truth. This is the little, small and easy definition of universal truth. त्रिकालवादी सत्याची एक छोटीशी व्याख्या आहे. So rules and regulation of this tense. Rules. First of all, keep in mind, don't forget, no helping verb is used to prepare the sentence of this tense. या काळाचं वाक्य बनवण्यासाठी कोणत्याही प्रकारचं टू बीचं सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद वापरलं जात नाही. आय रिपीट, टू प्रिपेअर द सेंटेन्स ऑफ दिस टेन्स इन सिंपल प्रेझेंट टेन्स. ओके, टू प्रिपेअर द सेंटेन्स ऑफ दिस टेन्स नो हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज यूज्ड. या काळामध्ये वाक्य बनवताना कोणत्याही प्रकारचं टू बीचं सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद वापरलं जात नाही. but to prepare the negative statement, question statement, negative question statement, we have to use do and does. No helping verb is used in this tense to prepare the sentence of this tense, but to prepare the negative statement, question statement and negative question statement, we have to use do and does as a helping verb in the sentence. But when to use do and when to use does, that is most important. If you are preparing sentence using I, we, you and then you have to use do, and if you are using sentence using pronoun he, she, it to prepare the sentence, or any name of the person, place or thing, then you will have to use does in the sentence in three types of sentences. So keep it in mind, you should not forget this because it is most important topic in English grammar. So let us see the formula of this tense, how the sentences are formed. There are two types of formula in simple present tense, for the first and second person and for the third person separate. So that I will make it very clear and very easy. I am going so deep so that you can understand the lesson. I oblique we oblique you oblique they plus MV1 plus object plus complement. Now these are known as subject. This is the formula of simple present tense. Now there is another one formula. He oblique she oblique it plus MV1 plus ES IES S plus MV1 plus object plus complement. These are two types of formulas to prepare the sentence. I have made it very easy so that you can understand how to prepare the sentence. So he, she, it is known as subject. Okay, these are the subject. Now, in the next video, we will see how the sentences are formed so that you will come to know the type of sentences in simple present tense. As before I told you, there are four types of sentences in simple present tense. First one is sentence, then second negative sentence, third one is question statement, and in question statement there are two types of questions: inversion question and WH question. And last type of sentence is negative question statement. It works to clear the doubt. Okay, so if you are not subscribed video, kindly subscribe the video so that all the serial videos you will get, you will not miss the video. If you are not shared it, kindly share it so that other students, those who are not able to get connectivity, they will get the benefit of these videos and they will strengthen their language in English. So please share, like and comment. If you have any problem, just type in comment box so that your problem will be solved. And if you are not subscribed the channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.